ladies and gentlemen, I now invite Dr. Mahesh Devnani, member of Organizing Committee, 5th NCTOH, to deliver the vote of thanks. He is Associate Professor of Hospital Administration and Joint Medical Superintendent at PGI MER. He has more than 15 years of progressive experience and is actively involved in the Institute's planning and response to COVID-19 pandemic. I welcome you, sir, to please deliver the vote of thanks.
Thanks, Garima, and good morning, everyone. This is really exciting. Yesterday, I was searching for a tobacco joke online, and I came across a one-liner which says, "Tobacco is the leading cause of all statistics." And this, in fact, if you see, is actually not a joke, whether it's a cancer, all other NCDs, environmental health issues, poverty, and so on and so forth. And probably tobacco and alcohol are the only two industries which kill their own customers. And as Dr. Rai rightly emphasized, that we need to target both of them. And despite this, and as Dr. Prakash Gupta and Dr. Puri said, that the enemy is very smart and powerful. And we all know that this fight for tobacco or health is not an easy one. And that is why we are all here virtually today with the resolve to make this world a tobacco-free one. And for that, and on behalf of PGI Administration, School of Public Health, and the entire wonderful team of the NCTOH, it's my proud privilege to extend my sincere thanks to all of you for joining us today virtually for this conference. And this is in fact an honor for us that such eminent dignitaries from government, academia, research institutes, and civil society organizations are present here. So we are really grateful to all of you. I sincerely thank our chief guest and all other guests of honor for readily accepting our invitation and gracing this inaugural session. Thank you, Shri Vikashshilji, Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, for sparing your valuable time and sharing your thoughts and challenges and way forward in making India tobacco-free, especially the challenges from the industry in undermining the efforts of ministry and others. And as you mentioned, the role of community is very important in this. So thank you very much, sir. We are grateful to our Dean Academics, Professor G.D. Puri, who is always a source of motivation for all of us, for sharing your vision and aptly highlighting the importance of the tobacco control. I extend my sincere thanks to our eminent guest of honor, Dr. Prakash Gupta, Director of Heli-Sekseri Institute of Public Health and Chief Advisor to this conference, for your continuous mentorship to the tobacco control fraternity in the country. Thank you, Professor K. Srinath Reddy, sir, President of the PHFI, for emphasizing that we need to share our passion as well as our experience for achieving sustainable development goals in toto and rather than in isolation. Sir, we keep reading your insightful articles on diverse issues in media. We are thankful for that also. And your book, Make Health in India Reaching a Billion Plus, is such a delight to read. So thank you very much for that as well. Thank you, Dr. Sanjay Rai, President of Indian Public Health Association, for highlighting that far-reaching consequences of both tobacco as well as alcohol. Thank you, Dr. Rana Jai Singh and the Union for your continuous support. I also wish to thank Dr. Sonu Goyal in his absentia, who is actually the driving force behind this event. Also, a special thank to all the honorable chairs, speakers who have consented to join this technical session of the conference. And I would say that the wonderful and energetic team, organizing team of this event, which is relentlessly working behind the scene, deserves a special applause from all of us. And I hope that the delegates will actively participate and make full use of this 2 days special scientific feast. So enjoy this conference. I thank you all once again. Please take care and stay safe. Back to you, Garima.